What is up, people? This is Ronald Kamlia, your sneaker guy. So yes guys, I ordered a sneaker from Myntra and had a very crazy experience. So I just thought I should share that with you all. So yes, in this video we are going to discuss about what problems I faced, the good, the bad, everything about it. So yes, do share this video with your friends too, so even they get aware about it. And please do watch this video till the end, as we have a small twist to it. So even you will get to know what to expect and what not to expect when you order something from Myntra. So now here we have the shoes. So I ordered this on 6th of this month, that is May, and it arrived on 9th. So it was like 2.5 days of delivery, and I was like very surprised to see that, because in this pandemic everything is being delayed, and this coming in 2.5 days was really amazing for me, as I didn't opt for any fast delivery or something like that. So 10 out of 10 for this fast delivery. So now coming to the packaging, it's nice to see that they no more use that white plastic for their parcels. Instead of that, they use this paper bag, which is really nice to see. After that, I just saw this box. So I was like very happy seeing this box, because Myntra doesn't double box their shoes and it damages the shoe box, which is very bad. So I was like very happy to see that. And guys, please do let me know in the comments if you had any good or bad experiences with Myntra. So then I was like happily opening the box. And then the huge smile on my face drastically changed into sadness, because this is what I saw. A box with no lid. If you guys don't know, these two are the same boxes, and Jordan brand has this lid on top of the box, which I don't find it here. And the only detail on the box is this Jumpman, and we don't have the total lid. And I was like so mad at it, because I was like expecting it that this will come in a damaged box or something like that, but I never expected that this will come with absolute no lid and this side opening like this. I was so mad about it. By the way, I ordered this. This is Air Jordan 1 Crimson Tint. I won't talk about this shoes much, because I'm going to do a full detailed review about it in the next video. So do watch that video too. And talking about the box itself, if I'm paying 9,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees for a shoes, I will never expect a box like this to come. And I don't know what to say about Myntra at this moment, because like I was totally sad about it. But I just don't want to make you guys look at Myntra in the wrong way. So now coming to the shoes. If you guys are old subscriber to me, I do suggest a lot of times to buy sneakers from Myntra, and a lot of time people do tell me that Myntra does sells fake shoes and stuff like that. So to prove that they sell real stuff, I ordered these shoes. This is a Air Jordan 1, as I said. And I just want to tell you guys that if you order a fake shoes from Myntra, Myntra will obviously deliver you that. They won't give you some real shoes. And yes, there is no point in arguing on this, because we can obviously return the shoes if you don't like it and take all your money back. So if you feel it's fake, just return the shoes and you get your money back. But yes, there was a small problem in this. How I just usually remove the shoes from the box, I removed it. I was like enjoying the shoes, I was vibing with it. I just called my friends, I was like showing them, and basically I was chilling with the shoes. Then I noticed something which made me go straight away blank, because I just saw that there was number 23 missing here. If you can see here, for the reference I'll show you this. Let me throw this garbage. If you can see, this shoe has that number 23 here and this doesn't has. So I was like blank at that moment, because I was not really sure what to do about it. And then there was lot of things running in my mind. I was like, does Myntra really sell fakes? Is this a fake shoes? And something like that. Then I immediately contacted one of my friend. He is a reseller, so I asked him about this. I showed him this. Then he told me that no, the crimson tint doesn't come with the 23 written there. So I guess Jordan brand has decided to remove that 23 from this shoes, and I really don't know why they did that, because that was a good touch to the shoes. But basically yes, this is a real legit pair. I ordered this from Myntra and it is a original pair. Yes, it is. So the point of me proving that Myntra does sell real pair with garbage box has turned to be right. So yes, the conclusion is this is a real shoes. So yes, I didn't make this video to promote Myntra or to spread negative things about them. I just wanted to show you guys that what you guys should expect when you order something from Myntra. So yes, that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends. So yes, thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next video.